The process of creating alcohol begins at glycolysis, where an organism that goes through anaerobic respiration obtains glucose and then converts it to 2-pyruvates. And through this process, it converts two NADH pluses into two NADHs, as well as two ADPs into two net ATPs. And this is where the energy for the organism is coming from. So the glycolysis process essentially just takes glucose and converts it to pyruvate to create ATP for the organism to complete its metabolic activities. And then after that, because there's a bunch of NADHs and it needs to have NAD pluses, the next step is fermentation. And this step allows for the pyruvates to become two acetaldehydes, which are two carbon molecules. And so changing a 3-carbon molecule, pyruvate, to a 2-carbon molecule, acetaldehyde, requires releasing 2 carbons. So here is a carbon dioxide. And actually, because this is actually releasing, this is 2 pyruvates, right? So there's 6 total carbons in here, 3 from each pyruvate, and then this is 2 2 carbon molecules, so there's 4 carbons here, so you're actually losing 2 carbon dioxides. So then through this process, which is the first step of fermentation, the important step happens next, where acetaldehyde becomes 2-ethanol. And this process is essential for organisms going through anaerobic respiration because it converts the NADHs from glycolysis here back to NAD+, which allows for the regeneration of NAD+. So this is the regeneration of NAD+ molecules, which are essential for the continuation of glycolysis. And so the cycle can continue and continue generating ATP for the organism. And then so this entire process from glycolysis to fermentation allows for the production of ethanol, which is found in beer. So this is where we get our substance. It's really just from the process of converting pyruvates to ethanol in order for the NAD pluses to be regenerated.